Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Tuesday, November 25th, and this is my analysis for the Euro Yen, and we're on the daily time frame to start with. So on the Euro Yen, we are pulling back a little bit at this 123 level. Now, this possibly could form a top on the weekly time frame, and if it does, it'd be a huge downtrend. But in order to really know that this right here is a top, we need to either see a break of sorts of down, or we need to see a very significant lower high, which we do not have either of those yet. And when we don't have either of those, sometimes the odds are even greater that it just keeps on trending up. So going down to the 1 hour time frame, yes, we do have a breaker started down on the 1 hour. So we definitely are either probably going to make a pullback to this whole move up, or it could be a trend reversal, like I was saying on the daily. First push down, maybe an A. I was thinking because this is impulsive up that this is potentially an A or B. This is maybe a B, and I think there's a good chance it will go up to either the 61 or the 78% for a C. Then we should either go down for a C or a 3. And this is where we need to start paying attention because a C and a 3 is a big difference between a wave C because a wave C will just continue the uptrend and a wave 3 will just continue to make lower lows, lower highs. So anyways, don't forget to check out my website linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.